Hi Dawn, this is Christina. This is a video that I mentioned about in the group, offering some suggestions on how to improve your online presence and essentially an SEO audit. So I did a little bit of research. I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in. Now, as we know, any consumer, if they're looking for a product or a service, they go to Google and they type in the keyword within the search bar there. For example, your future consumer is going to be typing in physical therapy, Oakland, California, right? For example. Now, we see a location at the end of that. That tells us that that is a local consumer looking for a local business to get service done right away, right? So because they have that higher buyer intent, they're looking for that service to get done right away, they're going to be contacting the companies that are listed in this section here. This is what we call the Google Map Pack. These are your top 3 competitors in your Oakland area. And because they are the most visible, again, they do get the most clicks, and of course, converting to their site and essentially becoming clients. Overall, really important to be listed in this section here, because if any consumer that's looking for physical therapy in your area, if they don't see you, they typically won't look any further, right? Because again, based off of convenience, they're going to be contacting these 3 companies first. Now, taking a look here, when I click on more places or more businesses, let me just see where you are located here. Okay, now I'm not finding you so far. Okay, we're already at the end of the first page. So definitely you want to be on the first page, because 98% of consumers do not go past the first page when looking for a company to contact, especially for a type of service. So there's a number of things that you can do, because I did look within your company name, and you do have a Google business profile, so that's perfect that you have one. Now, a couple things on what you could do to really help optimize it so you can get within that Google Map Pack are a number of things. So number one, make sure that you have a business description that is 750 characters. Make sure that you are responding to your Google reviews, so just thanking them, commenting them for, of course, leaving you a review. You want to do weekly or even bi-weekly posts with your branded photos where your photos are geotagged to your area. And then also too, something that we do for our clients is what we call citations, and you can most certainly do this as well. Your citation is your business address, your phone number, email address, and website URL. And you really give that information out to as many directories as possible, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. And within Google, it's like a popularity contest. The more that they see you listed, they see you more popular, right? So they start improving your ranking to get higher, right? Improving your ranking. And the more that they see you listed over your competitors, so you're more listed above them, they're going to rank you above them, right? Again, like a popularity contest. They see you as more popular. So that's something that you can do as well to really help get you in that Google Map Pack to really enhance your visibility. Now, this section right here is what we call the organics. These are websites that have Google's requirement of 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their site. Now, it's really important to have that amount of content on your homepage, because one, what drives the content are the keywords. So as you see here, like physical therapy, Oakland within the title. By having, like, say, physical therapy, Oakland, all over your homepage, you're going to come up within the search results, right? Google knows how to index your site. And the second main reason is because the more content you have on your homepage, the longer the Google bots stay on your site. So Google bots, they crawl websites 24/7. When they stay on your site longer, your site will be indexed for more keywords. So different types of therapy that you do, or physical therapy, different types of services, different areas that you focus on, versus if you go outside, or if you're looking for clients outside of the Oakland area, like nearby cities, to draw them to your location. That really helps broaden your customer outreach. So let me just see here. I think I already looked. Yeah, so you're not on the first page. So definitely want to optimize your website and your Google business profile so that you are listed within the top 3 section. You're really important there. And then also within this section here. And mainly to really improve your visibility so that consumers can find you online, right? Now, taking a look at your website, I absolutely love your logo, by the way, but definitely you need to get some content on here would be my main recommendation based off of the reasons that I mentioned, right? So when looking at the behind the scenes, so the background data to your site, it's showing me that Google doesn't know how to index your site, right? And it's mainly because you don't have the content or the keywords that helps Google know how to position your site, right? Where to put you, right? So like we said, Physical Therapy Oakland, for example. So really recommend doing that. And then essentially doing where you go into the services that you offer, doing a back page where, well, I'm sorry, these are the type of visits. I thought I saw on here the types of services that you offer. Maybe I did it. I'm sorry. Let me just check here. I could have swore. Oh, there it is. Okay, I knew I saw it somewhere, but that's more of like the techniques that you do, I'm assuming. So I would have a back page for each one of these with 500 500 words of content with these keywords. That'll really help broaden your customer outreach. And then also too, something that I see a lot of physical therapy, some of our previous clients, what they did was that they also had a back page where they really focused on content on pain points. So why would somebody be looking for a physical therapist, right? What kind of pain are they experiencing, or what kind of ailment are they having to where they're looking for a physical therapist, right, to come see you. And that'll really help you get in those search results for those people looking for, like, why does my ankle hurt in the morning, or shoulder pain, or back pain, or something. And I'll show you an example here shortly. But by having the back page of those pain points with the keywords, that'll really help you get into the search results and again, broaden your customer outreach. Now, this is again the behind the scenes to your website. And as you can see here, you have one keyword on there. And I'm assuming it's probably going to be your branded, so Wish Physical Therapy, right? And of course, there's no data within Google. This is like your Google data here. Okay. Now, and of course, what will help that with getting the content, the keywords. Okay, that'll really help. Now, this is one of your top competitors in your area. Just by looking at their site, they obviously focus on a lot of sports therapy or for athletics or for that type of physical therapy. Now, let me backtrack here. My internet's going to cooperate with me. Hopefully it's not going to take too long, or I might have to. There we go. We have a lot of storms going on today, so it's passing through. My internet's been kind of in and out. So I'm looking for these numbers right here. So as you can see here, this is the amount of people that's going to their site every month, and that's definitely on the lower side. It's mainly because they don't have a lot of content and the keywords within it. Now, I just wanted to see here quickly to see what type of keywords. So these are branded, but Physical Therapy Oakland, right? Look at the amount of people searching for that every month. So having that on your homepage numerous times will really help you get into the search results for that type of keyword, because there's a lot of people searching for that every month. And these are different variations. Okay. Now take a look at this company right here. Now they have different locations, and again, they definitely focus on the sports type of therapy or performance, and also wellness as well. So not necessarily looking at the type of website they have, it's just mainly the type of traffic and the keywords that'll really help. So as you can see here, they're getting a lot of traffic volume. Now I'm sure that's not something that you want to have for yourself since you're a one-woman show, but just getting a few of these keywords, and I know they really focus on what I mentioned about pain points or ailments that people would be searching for online to where they would be able to find you, such as wrist pain from typing, right? Neck pain. So again, this is like different types of ailments. Back pain again. And I'm not going to go through all of these, but there's definitely a lot. I mean, I'm sure they have a lot of pages. So that just a suggestion, like I said, that would really help enhance your visibility. And then, of course, getting like Physical Therapy Oakland, I think would really help. But just some suggestions there that I think would really improve your online presence and really optimize your site so that your site can work for you, right? Because essentially that's what we want our websites to do, to really enhance our visibility, to get traffic going to our site and get our phone ringing. So if that's something that you're looking for to like grow your business, now again, not on this scale, I'm sure that would be really overwhelming for yourself, but just even to get a few more phone calls every month just to grow your business a little bit, again, I really think would help by, again, getting those keywords and some of those back pages and content. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, but I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you found this helpful. Take care.